What's goody grind family, Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money with this auto click system. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money with this auto click system. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon I'm going to give away some free money. So do me a favor, smash that like button and drop a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Now, please check in my description below. I want you to scroll where it says free giveaways. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to my channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom in the description. Click on that link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website where you're going to see 3 free gifts. You can download those free gifts. That's all just for you. That's from me to you guys. You can have that, use that. That's going to help you start making more money online right now. Please watch this video to the very end, because I don't want you to miss not one step that you need to take to earn this money with this system. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn free PayPal money with this auto click system. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at the Google Play Store, and I'm at this app. It's called BuzzBreak. Read news, win lucky money. So what you're going to be doing is reading. You don't really have to read it, but they're going to be showing news articles. So it says here, breaking news. They have news articles. Say get lucky money. So you'll be able to win some money. And see, this is on the description. They have read latest and local breaking news from the internet. You can also win some money. So what they're going to be doing is showing articles, and also they're going to be showing videos too. So that's where the auto clicker going to come in. So I'm going to tell you about the auto clicker and how to get that auto clicker and which auto clicker we're going to use. All right. Let's just scroll down here and see a little bit else about this app, and so we can learn a little bit more since they don't have that much in the description. Okay, it's a 4.6 rating. That's pretty good out of 5 stars. And this person right here gave it 3 stars. And he said, now I can cash our everyday. Now I can cash out. Yeah, probably was saying I can cash out every day with 2 cents. Not bad. Okay, I know 2 cents is very low, but when we're going to use this auto clicker, it's going to add up. So that person probably just clicking one time or whatever. So we're going to be able to click multiple times without really doing anything. All right, and this other person says it's a great app to be uploaded with local and international news. Plus the memes and videos add fun to it. Although I just have to complain about a glitch. So it has a little glitch, but I'm sure that glitch was probably fixed. So, and here's the other thing. Say, nice app. This person right here said, nice app. It paid me right away to my PayPal. So like I said in the title, you're going to be getting paid through PayPal. All right, now let me go ahead and show you this auto clicker that I was talking about and show you how we're going to be able to 10x this method where you don't really have to do anything and it's going to be working for you behind the scenes. All right, so let's go to the next app.
Hey, Grind family, sorry for the interruption, but I just want to inform you that I am almost close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Because when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward 3 people with some free money. And all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel and drop a comment down below. Now, back to the video.
All right, I'm at the next app and it's called Auto Clicker Automatic Tap. Okay, so we're going to use this app to click on the news articles and we're going to set it at a certain time. So you can do it like every 30 seconds or something like that. It's going to click on a news article or click on a video that you're going to be looking on the BuzzBreak app. So let's just read a little bit on here about this app. Auto Clicker helps you do repeated taps at any location with any interval you specify. Auto Clicker does not require root access. Have a floating control panel to stop the automatic tap. It's great for click games. So it isn't good for click games, but we're going to use it for video. So it's out of 5 stars, it's 4.4. And this person right here says easy to program, multiple clicks, timing, and repetitions. Make it easy to complete repetitive actions like a tap-based attack games without straining your hand nerves. The app will use a landscape layout, but it's not too much of a bother. The only thing really missing is the way to highlight. So they put a real good review on this app. So let's just look on here. It says easy to use, single target mode, multiple targets mode, auto swipe, so it'll swipe automatically. And here's let me go right back here. Here's a little video kind of show a demonstration of how it works. So I'm not going to go through the whole video. I'm just going to show you key parts in the video. So I'm going to stop it right here. As you can see, you have the settings for the single target mode and then the multiple target modes. So let's just click and see if they show a demonstration. So you can set how many number of clicks. So I guess they setting the click for like the calculator. So it automatically click that. And I guess these are the settings right here. And see, like right on here, let me go back. So right here has delayed time before do the next clip. So you can set it where it's going to be a delayed time before it automatically clicks again. And right here it says stop after amount of time. So you can put the time you want to stop. So I know you're probably saying, now how are we going to set this up? Now, let me just get out of this. So what we're going to do, let me go back to, all right, I'm back at the other app. So what we're going to do when we're looking at a video or looking at a news article, it's going to automatically tap it, and you're going to receive some points for that. And so this is something like a survey app or whatever, where you have to do a task and you get points, or do a survey and get points. So you get points every time you tap a news article. And like the guy down here said, 2 cents. So every time you click, you're going to get 2 cents. So that's where the auto clicker going to come in and going to click for you. Let's see if it got some more options over here. Okay, no more screenshots. Yeah, I wish they would show a little bit more, give a little bit more information about this app. But so what you're going to do is just download this app, download BuzzBreak. You're going to see these articles in here. They want you to click on the article, and you're going to set up the, let's go back to it right quick. You're going to set up the auto clicker. So anyway, so you're going to set up the auto clicker. So you're going to use auto clicker to click on ads, set the time, set the milliseconds time on, you want it to be a delayed so it can click again. So it'll click so many, you know, it might delay a minute or whatever, or 100 milliseconds. Then it'll click again. So you won't have to do any clicking yourself. So if this sounds like something you want to do, go ahead and go to BuzzBreak on Google Play, and auto clicker on auto clicker automatic tap on Google Play. All right, now you know the steps you need to take to earn free PayPal money with this auto click system. So go ahead and download those apps, start watching those videos, set up that auto click system, and watch you start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please do me a favor before you leave, smash that like button, and let's get at least 20 likes, guys. I've been asking for 25, but I haven't got the 25. So let's get 20 likes, because the more likes I get, the more this video be seen on YouTube by more new viewers, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So the more viewers I get, the more potential subscribers I can get. Because once I get to that 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward 3 people with some free money. So if you want some free money, hit that like button. Also, please drop a comment down below, because the more comments I get, the more my video will be seen on YouTube by more potential viewers. So also drop that comment down below. And please share this on the internet everywhere. Share this on every social media platform, because I want to help everybody I can. I wish I could around the whole world, help everybody I can become their own boss, become financially free, and make money online. All right, lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Again, thank you for support. Keep supporting, keep watching, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content so you can learn how to make money online. All right, before I go, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.
And get your grind on. And get your grind This is App Grind TV.